In the last episode, we have learnt about what product management is and got an understanding of how it is different from other management roles, along with exploring different kinds of products. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it from the link mentioned in the description below. In this episode, we will get to know who a product manager is and try to be familiar with the responsibilities of this role. Following that, we will put some light on how to be a good product manager. Hello everyone. Greetings from India. This presentation is brought to you by Nirbhay Chauhan from Eklavya Self-Learning Tutorials. To begin with the question, who exactly is a product manager? Just like any other professional role, a product manager is a well-recognized and highly respected profession. It is a role which demands an excellent coordination, planning, and strategical thinking to ultimately bring a product to its worthy success. In simple words, product manager is someone who manages product development from ideation to build, till deploy phase to analyzing customer feedback after the release. Product manager is an enabler who, being a humble part of the product team, takes along everyone with filling the information gaps and connecting the dots of the overall product management process. Now, let's talk about several responsibilities of a product manager. From the name, it looks like any other managerial role, but being a product manager, you are not anyone's manager. Maybe with time, as your team grows, you may have a few associates and analysts reporting to you. However, in a general scenario, you are the leader of overall product development activity. A product manager works in close sync with designers and engineers, while also being in regular touch with business and sales team, and monitoring the customer's needs and feedback. On a high level, product manager is responsible for defining the product strategy and vision based on the initial requirements, and shaping these raw requirements in a more organized way in the form of epic features and user stories with explicit acceptance criterias. We will be discussing about these terms in detail in a separate video. So, a dedicated amount of documentation work is also involved, like forming a product requirements document, also known as PRD, and BRD, which means business requirements document. Also, feature requirements document or FRD. So we will come across these terms more frequently as we progress further with these episodes. Okay, now let us see how to be a good product manager. Firstly, being a product manager doesn't separate you from humans and the general human behavior. You are not perfect and can sometimes make mistakes at work. The thing that matters is how generous are you to acknowledge your mistakes, and your swift response to rectify them. Secondly, the way you communicate with the stakeholders is a key aspect of product management. It is an art in itself which gets developed gradually over time. Usually, there can be instances where you are in a tough two-side situation while coordinating with the clients and internal stakeholders, and it gets hard to decide over certain matters. In such cases, your social intelligence in the form of diplomacy comes to rescue you and helps you to take decisions more wisely. If we talk about planning and prioritizing, it is something that a product manager should be a master. During product development, features may find their order changing due to business demands or some other reasons that may arise over times. In such cases, you should be flexible enough to absorb the changes, or sometimes you may have to act stiff to avoid compromising with the release goals. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, and let me know with your comments in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.